From the first heartbeat of creation, there has existed a presence beyond sight, a force of infinite wisdom and mercy, Allah. Every breath we take, every sunrise we witness, every silent whisper of hope in our hearts is a testament to His omnipresence. The Quran, revealed as guidance for all humanity, illuminates the path of truth, reminding us that no moment of our lives is without divine attention. Yet, these are not stories frozen in time. The lessons of faith, patience, and justice found in the Quran are alive today, unfolding around us in the lives of those striving, persevering, and seeking truth. From the quiet generosity of a neighbor to the courage of individuals standing for justice against overwhelming odds, Allah's story continues to echo through every corner of the earth. Imagine a force that has been guiding humanity since the beginning of time. How would your life look if you fully trusted in it? Think of one moment in your life when you felt an unseen hand guiding you. Share it in the comments. How did it change your perspective, even for a moment? Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Share this video with your loved ones, because this knowledge can literally change a life. In the beginning, Allah created the heavens and the earth, shaping the universe with wisdom beyond human comprehension. Among His greatest creations is humankind, fashioned from clay, endowed with intellect, free will, and the capacity to choose between right and wrong. The story of Adam and Hawa, as told in the Quran, is not merely a tale of origins. It is a mirror reflecting the eternal truth that every human being carries the responsibility of their choices. Today, science continues to reveal the profound complexity of life. From the intricate design of the human genome to the astonishing precision of cosmic systems, every discovery whispers the hand of the Creator. Consider the millions of people born every day into unique circumstances, each facing challenges and joys, each living out a story of guidance and choice, echoing the lessons of Adam's journey. Even in the smallest moments, a parent nurturing a child, a teacher guiding a student, a stranger offering unexpected help, Allah's guidance is present. It is in these subtle signs, as in the Quran, that we recognize His wisdom and mercy at work. Creation is not distant. It is active, intimate, and profoundly connected to our daily lives. Have you ever looked at the stars, the human body, or a newborn child and wondered at the Creator? What feelings arise in you when you witness the complexity and beauty of life? Comment below. What in nature or in life makes you feel closest to Allah? Share a moment when you sensed His guidance or presence in a way that changed you, even briefly. Throughout history, Allah has sent messengers to guide humanity, to remind people of their purpose and to illuminate the path of righteousness. From Noah, who persevered in calling his people despite rejection and ridicule, to Abraham, whose unwavering faith stood against oppression, the Quran preserves these lessons as living examples. Moses, faced tyranny and led his people through hardship, while Isa, Jesus, preached compassion, forgiveness, and spiritual awakening. These stories are not relics of the past. They mirror the struggles faced today. Around the world, countless individuals embody the courage and resilience of the prophets. Consider the activists standing against injustice, risking everything to protect the vulnerable, or the humanitarian workers providing aid in war-torn regions. Their lives echo the Quranic lessons of patience, perseverance, and unwavering faith in divine guidance. Even ordinary people reflect prophetic wisdom daily. A teacher mentoring disadvantaged children, a doctor tirelessly saving lives, or a neighbor quietly helping those in need. Each act of courage, compassion, or integrity is a modern reflection of the guidance Allah provided through His messengers. The essence of these stories teaches us that guidance is not only historical, but present, tangible, and accessible to those who seek it. When facing trials, how do you stay hopeful? Can you relate to Prophet Nuh's patience during the flood, or Ibrahim's unwavering faith in the face of immense challenges? Share a story of someone inspiring you today who reminds you of the Prophet's resilience. How has their courage or kindness influenced your perspective or actions? The Quran recounts miracles that testify to Allah's infinite power and mercy. The parting of the sea for Musa or Moses. The miraculous birth of Isa, Jesus, to Maryam, Mary. And the provision of sustenance to the Prophet Nuh, Noah, and his followers are timeless reminders of divine intervention. These events reveal that Allah's guidance and power are beyond human limitation, shaping history in ways both seen and unseen. Yet, miracles are not confined to the pages of Scripture. Every day, across the globe, there are extraordinary events that echo these divine signs. Consider the medical breakthroughs, saving lives against all odds, the improbable recoveries of critically ill patients, or communities coming together spontaneously after natural disasters. Even a small act, a stranger preventing an accident, a person surviving a life-threatening event, or a sudden solution appearing in a moment of despair, can be a reflection of Allah's unseen hand at work. These contemporary signs invite us to look closer, to see the divine in both the miraculous and the ordinary. Allah's presence is woven into every heartbeat, every act of courage, every unexpected blessing. Miracles are not only the grand events described in the Quran, they are alive today, guiding, comforting, and inspiring those who remain mindful of His wisdom. Have you witnessed a moment that felt beyond explanation? How do you see Allah's hand in modern life? Share an experience you consider a modern-day miracle. How did it affect your faith, your perspective, or your understanding of Allah's presence? The Quran emphasizes that Allah is the ultimate source of justice and mercy. The stories of Prophet Yusuf, Joseph, who forgave his brothers despite their betrayal, and Prophet Dawood, David, renowned for his fair judgment, illustrate how divine principles guide human actions. These narratives teach us that justice is not only about punishment, but also about balance, fairness, and compassion, while mercy remains a guiding light for those seeking forgiveness. Today, we see reflections of these principles in real life. Consider communities offering aid to refugees fleeing violence, activists advocating for human rights, or individuals choosing forgiveness over revenge in deeply personal conflicts. These modern acts echo the mercy and justice highlighted in the Quran, showing that divine guidance continues to shape human behavior. Even in everyday decisions, people embody these virtues. A manager treating employees fairly, a neighbor helping the less fortunate, or a teacher providing second chances. Each act becomes a testament to Allah's presence and principles in the world today. Justice and mercy are not abstract concepts. They are living forces, influencing choices and creating hope in both small and profound ways. If you forgive someone today, could it be your way of reflecting Allah's mercy? How might fairness and compassion transform the lives around you? Tell us a story of a real-life act of forgiveness or justice you witnessed. How did it inspire you or change the way you view mercy in action? Throughout history, humanity has faced trials, from floods and famines to wars and social upheavals. The Quran teaches that challenges are not punishments, but tests of faith, resilience, and character. The story of Prophet Ayub, Job, who endured immense suffering yet remained patient and faithful, exemplifies the divine lesson that perseverance through hardship is rewarded with wisdom, strength, and mercy. In our modern world, trials continue in countless forms. Natural disasters displace communities, conflicts devastate families, and pandemics challenge our health and livelihoods. Yet, even in these moments, acts of courage, generosity, and solidarity shine. Volunteers distributing aid, scientists racing to find cures, and ordinary people risking their lives to save strangers all mirror the Quranic teachings of patience and service. These examples reveal that Allah's guidance is present not only in Scripture, but in the actions of those who uphold righteousness amidst adversity. Even small personal trials, losing a job, facing illness, or struggling with loss, become opportunities to trust Allah, grow spiritually, and find strength. Like the prophets, modern humans are tested, and through patience and faith, their lives can become living examples of resilience. In the toughest moments, how do you find hope? Let's explore what Quranic guidance teaches us about patience and trust in Allah during trials. Share an inspiring story of resilience happening in the world right now, or from your own life. How did faith, courage, or compassion play a role in overcoming that challenge? Allah's guidance is not merely a distant principle. It is a transformative force that shapes hearts, decisions, and lives. The Quran teaches that turning to Allah, seeking His counsel through prayer and reflection, can illuminate the path from despair to hope, from ignorance to understanding, and from weakness to resilience. The story of Umar ibn al-Khattab, who transformed from a harsh and reckless individual into one of the most just and compassionate leaders after embracing guidance, illustrates the profound power of divine direction in human life. Today, countless individuals experience similar transformations. A person who once struggled with addiction may find new purpose through faith. A community divided by conflict may reconcile through forgiveness, inspired by divine wisdom. And ordinary people, guided by principles of honesty, compassion, and patience, can inspire change in their families, neighborhoods, and workplaces. These modern stories echo the lessons of the Quran. Guidance is not theoretical. It manifests in actions, decisions, and moral courage. Even in small choices, Allah's guidance has the power to shape character. The act of helping someone in need, offering sincere advice, or choosing integrity over convenience reflects the inner transformation that comes from following divine principles. By embracing this guidance, humanity continues to write living stories of faith and moral growth, echoing the timeless lessons of the prophets. Think about one choice you could make today, guided by faith. How might it transform your life and the lives of those around you? Share a personal or observed transformation inspired by faith. How did trusting in Allah's guidance change the outcome for you or someone you know? The story of Allah does not end with the prophets or with the pages of the Quran. It continues through every heartbeat, every action, and every choice of humanity. From the lessons of past generations to the lives of people today, Allah's guidance flows through history, shaping destiny, inspiring moral courage, and guiding hearts toward justice, mercy, and faith. Consider the extraordinary acts of kindness and resilience unfolding around the world right now. Communities rebuilding after natural disasters, strangers rescuing others in moments of danger, or movements advocating for peace, equality, and environmental stewardship. Each act is a thread in the ongoing story of Allah's influence, a reminder that divine wisdom is alive and active in the present. Even in the small, quiet moments, parents teaching their children compassion, volunteers helping the marginalized, or someone choosing honesty over convenience. The story of Allah continues. These modern examples echo the eternal Quranic message. Every act of righteousness is part of the unfolding divine narrative, and every individual has the potential to contribute to this living story. By recognizing this continuity, we understand that faith is not static. It is dynamic, ever-present, and intimately connected to daily life. Allah's story is interwoven with ours, and every choice we make can reflect His guidance and mercy in the world. How will your actions today become part of this eternal story? What small act could reflect Allah's guidance and mercy in your life? Write one small action you can take to embody Allah's guidance in your daily life. How do you see this contributing to the greater story of hope, compassion, and faith? As we reflect on the full story of Allah, we see a thread of wisdom, mercy, and guidance weaving through history. From the creation of humankind to the lives of the prophets, from the miracles of the Quran to the resilience and compassion seen in our world today. Allah's presence is constant, guiding hearts, inspiring actions, and shaping destinies. The lessons are clear. Patience, justice, mercy, faith, and transformation are not abstract ideals. They are living forces, visible in the choices we make every day. Every act of kindness, every decision to forgive, every moment of trust in Allah is part of this ongoing story. You are not merely a witness, you are a participant. As you move forward, remember that the story of Allah continues through you. Your choices, your actions, and your faith can reflect divine guidance, creating ripples of hope and inspiration in the world. The story of Allah is infinite, and your life is a chapter. How will you write it? Which choices will reflect His guidance and mercy in your life? Share your thoughts on today's message. How has learning about Allah's ongoing story inspired you to act, reflect, or change? Comment one action you will take to embody faith, mercy, or justice in your life today.